This is the master. You know the vibes, we out here in the boogie down. You might hear the sounds in the background, that's the sounds of gentrification.
Jack chicken and yakitori. I'm so excited. This charcoal called binchotan, made from white oak.
Okay, so this is the yakitori, this is for a specific grilling technique.
Cut tail and skin.
Yeah.
Cut.
Yo, what kind of knife is this?
This is honesuki.
Honesuki, do they have these at MTC?
I think, yeah, they have it.
You guys
Yes.
have those. I'm about
This
to
is
get...
a Japanese Western butcher knife. Japanese say muda wa nashi. We never no tolerance.
Uda wanash.
Yes.
Don't waste none of that shit.
No waste, nothing. Respect chicken. I don't know all the chef that things, but tolerance is best very easy way. So we have to think about how we can use. That's always our mission.
Ah, so you get all the meat off
Yes,
like that.
like a zigzag. And then I wanna take little bit bone here.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
also soft bone.
Uh-huh.
It's good for the texture. It's chicken breast. So my way is sliced chicken. It's called usuzukuri, which is like a sashimi cut.
Okay. When you roll it.
So when I load it, it's all moistures go in. Then when I finish, it's gonna be juicy.
Yo, I know people at home are watching this like, damn, I gotta fold my chicken breast before I put it on the skewer. The answer is yes. You have to fold that breast. Caribbean bay leaf, smell it. There's honey and tamarind in the sauce, which adds that little bit of sweetness. Add a little bit more allspice. Typically with jerk, we like to do a dry rub and a wet. Some people marinate it, some people brine it overnight, then they do a wet and dry rub. I don't think it's necessary since you have such high quality chicken.
Sake first. Sake makes like a nice aroma, and then salt. I just started opening on my restaurant. It's called Kono, which is a Omakase Yakitori restaurant in Bowery Street.
Okay.
Salt finish.
Freshly
Black
cracked
pepper.
black pepper. Stop playing.
This is the neck. Ooh.
You can't smoke me. I want all the smoke, man. I want all the smoke. I want all the smoke. Look at the char, look at the caramelization. I'm just gonna glaze mine. The glaze is made from black garlic, tamarind, and brown sugar.
So this is grated wasabi, stainless kinjirushi from Japan. Just a little bit, not too much always. Chicken shoulder wasabi, and crispy chicken wing, neck, and tail and belly. And yours, knees, inner thigh. This is chicken thigh and best parts, chicken oyster and jaki chicken. Perfect smoky and sauce is perfect. Not too spicy.